I did get back on the wiring of the flight controllers, and you can see here I have the positive for the ESC and the battery sorted up, the negative sorted up, and this capacitor sorted in. These 4 wires sorted to the BEC board, and the ends tinned, ready to go through the holes in the top plate and solder those down. Those are the only 4 solder joints I need to finish up. Is these 4 on these wires. But if you look at the this in here, this worried me a bit. When I sorted this down first, it touched this, so I was worried about that. You can see this one's touching it too. But because I was worried about it, I went and got a meter and checked the continuity between these things. I hope this works. And what I found was this positive pad right here and this side of this component are equal. This side of the component, yep. And these 2 positive pads. Everything right through here is basically tied together. So there was no problems with those right there touching that component on either side. So I just forgot about that. Now, I did switch to my old 40-year-old soldering iron. It's in such bad shape, it isn't even funny. I did switch to this soldering iron. This one on the solder station gets much hotter, but I've got a really thin point on it for doing pins and stuff, so there's not much heat transfer. This soldering iron doesn't get as hot, but the tip is wider, and even though the temperature's lower, the heat transfer is higher. So with this soldering iron, putting these battery leads on was a snap. And I'll do it on the other flight controller too. So now I just have to solder on these 4 wires from the BEC board to the top board, and 1 flight controller will be finished. And there's those 4 wires soldered up from the BEC board up to the flight controller. So that's all. Close it back up. And there's the BEC board on the bottom and the flight controller married back up. The vibration dampening back in. And all we have to do is put the little board back on top and we're finished. And there's everything buttoned back up and ready to be tested. An H743 wing version 2. And I've got a second one right there to do. It won't take long at all.
All right, guys, thank you so much. I know this didn't take long to do this second video as I thought it was going to, but just have to solder up the second flight controller and proceed on. All right, again, thank you.